Take this burden, this broken leg, we could nurse it, she said. Come inside for a little hideout with me. If you fall asleep, then it wouldn't be the worst thing. But when I wake up, you make up into my shoulder. Now tell me if I lie down, would you stay now and let me hold ya? Oh. But if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Stories taste our lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, 'cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I owe it all you. Oh, my little bird, my little bird. Take a walk out in morning dew. We could lay down so I'm next to you. Come inside for a little homemade tea. If you fall asleep, then at least you're next to me. 'Cause when I wake up, you see it's late, love, go back to sleep. I'm covered by the nature, and I'm safe now underneath this oak tree with you beside me. But if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Stories taste our lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, 'cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I owe it all to you. Oh, my little bird, my little bird, my little bird, my little bird. And of all these times I'm sure of, I'm not quite certain of your love. You make me scream, and you make you cry. When I left that little bird with its broken leg to die. But when I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Stories taste our lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, 'cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I owe it all to you. Oh, my little bird, my little bird.